We make a large number of chips all at once on a round silicon disc called a wafer or slice. First of all, we create a new layer of silicon on the slice, 1/100th of a millimeter thick. We then oxidize this silicon layer in an oven so that an even thinner insulating layer is created on top of it. We then apply a coat of light-sensitive lacquer. We expose the lacquer through a kind of photographic negative so that the lacquer dissolves in certain places. Then, in the places where there is no more lacquer, we shoot atoms with great accuracy through the oxidized layer into the silicon. The layer of lacquer is then no longer required and is therefore removed from the slice. We then ensure that the atoms penetrate a little deeper into the silicon by a few thousandths of a millimeter. A new silicon layer is applied over the oxide layer. And once again, a layer of lacquer is applied, exposed, and developed. The silicon which is uncovered by this process is then etched away. Another series of treatments involving lacquering, exposure, bombardment with atoms which penetrate the silicon, new oxide layers, etc. is performed until the whole pattern is complete in all its layers. Some 300 to 400 process steps are required, along with 15 to 20 different masks with microscopically small patterns. The final step in the process is the connection of the various, almost invisible, tiny elements in the silicon. This is how we make an electronic circuit, an IC or chip.